So grit gets you started, and Moxie, well, that keeps you going. But what does Moxie really look like? It's not loud, and it's not a pep talk. Moxie is what you do when nobody's cheering, and you still keep going. I mean, girls tend to think that confidence just drops out of the sky. No, our confidence comes from multiple things. Doing the uncomfortable thing again tomorrow, that's Moxie. So let me break this down for you so you can use it, not just nod along. Moxie works after the moment you almost quit. You know that moment when you're doing something new and your brain goes, oh God, this is so stupid. Why am I doing this? Why am I even trying? That's the crossroads. Grit got you to the starting line, and Moxie, it keeps you in the race as long as you're being true to yourself. And here's something nobody tells you, girls. You don't build confidence just alone by starting. You build confidence by staying when your ego wants out. Real Moxie, it looks boring from the outside, but let me tell you, just an example. I can record videos and automatically I know I'm not going to like it. I want to delete it so fast, my finger will twitch. It feels awkward. And I think, God, Cheryl, why are you doing this? Like, what are you doing? That right there, that tiny moment of awkwardness, not wanting to do it, that's where most girls are going to quit. But I don't. I hit upload. And that's Moxie, doing the thing that feels cringy in the moment because future me needs it. Real Moxie, it isn't fireworks. It's just small, uncomfortable actions repeated until you're comfortable with them. Moxie grows after failure, not before success. You fail, you feel it, you don't like it, then you show up again anyway. You do it again. That's Moxie's entire job description. If grit is the courage to try, well, Moxie is the belief you're still worth the effort. Girls think confidence is a feeling, and I'm here to say that it's not. It's a pattern, and Moxie is how you repeat the pattern, even on the days you just don't feel like it. So here's how to see your Moxie today. Let's do 3 quick checks. Are you still here? Well, that's Moxie. Did you try again after a flop? Yeah, that's Moxie. Did you do the tiny, uncomfortable thing instead of avoiding it? Yeah, well, again, Moxie. You don't need a big moment. You need repeated small ones. Your confidence recipe reminder. Grit plus Moxie plus critical thinking equals confidence. Grit gets you started. Moxie keeps you moving, just being true to yourself. And critical thinking keeps you aligned with who you want to be and changes directions as you need them. And girls need all 3. And today you're learning the real middle ingredient. So before you scroll, stop and think about this. Where did your Moxie show up this week? I mean, even a tiny bit. Drop it in the comments. I want to see your own progress in writing, not just out of your head. And if this hit you in the gut, well, share it with another girl who's trying to build her confidence.